Televidente bambini na outra edição de Time Out. Agora em Time Out, nosso papel de grupo de gospel que está tocando na South Carolina. Nós estamos referindo na Riverside Boys, que está junto conosco aqui na Aruba, que ainda vai acta hoje noite na Passeio Gerência. Junto conosco no programa nós vai ter Arnold Childers, que está vestido com o gel que posta aí, e outro senhor Tommy Fowler, que está dirigente também do grupo aqui. Nós estamos em Time Out, que está aqui, nós vamos back, nós estamos conversando com Tommy, tanto Arnold e Tommy. Televidente, danke por estar conosco. Estamos com Arnold Childers e Tommy Fowler. Mr. Fowler, how long does this group exist?
The Riverside Boys actually began back in the early to mid 60s as the Riverside Quartet, and down through the years, members have left, some have passed away, some have joined other gospel groups, and some totally just gotten out of it for whatever reasons, health or whatever. And then 1973, Arnold and myself joined the Riverside at that time, and we've been with them since. So we've been with them 41 years.
Oh, do you play every night, Arnold?
No, we play about, we practice one night a week and play on the weekend.
On the weekend you do play.
Yes.
Because Bobby told me that you were fantastic. I heard you sing so just now. Televidente, by the way, na finale que não também canto pela cantiga para nós não. It was great to hear that.
Thank you.
In your do you have some preparation for music?
Yes, we do.
Yes.
We do. Yes,
What do you do? What did you do?
Well, you talk about when we're preparing,
Yes.
practicing and stuff like
No.
that? Or for here?
No. Did you get any teachings in music?
Yes, sir. I've had
Yes?
the music lessons, and we both have had the music, but it's also we have the gift of the ear too, because a lot of times
you must have that.
yes,
You
you
must
must
have
have
it.
it,
You
because
must
a
have
lot
it,
of
yes,
times people give us music to learn. They'll say, "Hey, I've written this song. Would you like to try it?" or something like that. So we've got to. That's all we've got to go by. Sometimes we have to set arrangements.
Fantastic. You were here last year, Mr. Arnold.
Yes.
Tell us something about it.
We really enjoyed it. We came just as a scouting trip, you might say, because we knew we was going to try to get the whole group to come back with us, and it was just the Riverside Boys. 4 of us came with Bobby, and he set it all up for us, and we came over, and we really loved the place. It was fantastic.
Great.
Wonderful people.
Wonderful
Beautiful
people.
place.
Wonderful people.
How was the experience?
We didn't know what to expect,
Okay.
Claret, when we first got here. But Bobby sort of filled us in about how nice everything was and how nice the people were. But that was an understatement. The way we were treated, I can only tell you, is no less than fantastic by everyone. And at that, we were in the last weekend of the election.
Oh,
Right before the actual voting day. And so that weekend was a tremendously hectic weekend for Mike. And Arnold was talking about, we came over like a scouting trip to see how it would be, how people would accept us. And also, but the other reason was we came to lend support to Mike,
great.
to help him out. And we, on Saturday night, was it Saturday night or Sunday night? One of those. Anyway, we were told we had to be downtown because they were having a massive rally for him.
Yes.
And we were there, and Claret, unreal crowd.
Yes, I know that.
And then here comes Mike walking on the highway with his entourage, and Bobby goes up to him
yes.
and speaks and Bobby has, he knows everybody, and he doesn't care. When he saw the Prime Minister, he just runs up and hugs him, And then he motions for us because we sort of stayed to the side. We didn't know how to act. I'll be quite honest with you. But
No problem.
But
I heard you did it good. That's the most important thing.
yes, sir.
Let
He
me
took
go
time
for
for
a
us.
break. Let me go for a break. Televidente, nós vamos time out quando que ninguém nos back. Na segunda tanda nós estava cera com cantiga quando nós vamos apresentar a noite na passeio Herência. Televidente, danke porque não te conosco junto com o grupo de Riverside Boys, Arnold Children's, com Tommy Fowler. Tonight you're gonna be at the passeio Herência.
That is correct.
Tell us something about tonight. What can we expect?
A upbeat, dynamic gospel program that I think everybody from the little ones to the older ones are going to really enjoy. It's going to be an exciting time, I promise, for everybody.
Great. The experience you're having, 40 years playing this, you are practically a CD, but live.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow. I'm getting goosebumps already from these things because I love music. Mm-hmm. And hey, we have a guy also inside of this TV station. Mm-hmm. He loves music. The chief of music.
Claret, that you mentioned that right there. That's one thing that we have found out in our ministry, and that's what it is. It's a ministry. Even though we're semi full time and all of it in it, but anyway, we found that a lot of people, when you're trying to reach them for Christ, they won't come to a church.
No.
They won't darken the doors, but to come to one of our concerts or something like that, they'll come to that. And through that, we proclaim Christ through our music.
That's nice.
And through our testimonies. And we feel like that's what the Lord has allowed us to do, and that is our calling.
He's given you that special talent to do so.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And all credit and praise to Him on that.
Yes,
absolutely.
Of course.
Yes, sir.
And the work you are doing, I think it's just incredible.
Thank you.
I think I have to thank you guys for this. I want to invite Luke now to come forward with the guitar, so we will hear something. Come, Luke. You gotta play something for the guys. So
we'll do it.
What they can expect for tonight. The stage is yours. Come, Luke. You have to sing also with them.
I don't fall off.
No worries. Okay, we can start. Arnold.
I was sinking deep in sin, far from the peaceful shore, very deeply stained within, sinking to rise no more. But the master of the seas heard